everybody. Today I'm going to talk you through how to use a website called Overdrive, which allows you to check out ebooks, audiobooks, and videos on your device of choice, like your laptop or a Kindle or even your phone. What you're going to need to use Overdrive is simply your library card and your password. So what we're going to do is go over here to sign in. We're going to click sign in. This will prompt you to put in your library card number and your password. You'll see how we have a little drop-down menu here that says select your library. We are CWMARS patrons, but you have other options depending on your location, but we're going to stick with CWMARS patrons, which is usually auto-filled in this section here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to type in my library card number and my password and then click sign in, and I will be right back. Okay, now that we've signed in, you will be sent back to the home page, but you will just be logged into your account and you'll be able to tell because it will say my account right here. So what we'll do first is search for a title. Say you have a book title in mind and you want to see if it's available. What we're going to do is click search right here and you'll have this search bar come up. And we're going to type in what we're looking for. So for example, I'll type in The Hobbit and hit enter or the little magnifying glass icon. And what comes up is your whole list of what's available for the Hobbit books. So for example, here is the ebook version, the audiobook version, a couple of different ebook versions, and that's about it. So as you can see at the top here, it says waitlist, which means that I can't check out the book immediately to read it because there's a waiting list of people who are in line before me. Now, if it says available, that means you can check it out right now and start reading. If it says waitlist, then we will have to put a hold on it and wait until your place in line comes up, which I will show you how to do. So let's scroll here, and for example, this version, which is The Hobbit in Spanish, is available. So what we're going to do is, you can see down here it says borrow. We're going to click borrow, and from here you can choose how long you'd like to have it to read. So your options in this little drop down menu are 7, 14, or 21 days. I'm just going to leave it at 14. Then we're going to click borrow again, and a new window will drop down giving you different options for how you can start reading it. Read with your Kindle, read now in your browser, or download the ebook. And it will also tell you the date that you have the book until. Now we have the book, we can go read it as we want to. Now, if we want to place a hold on an item, say the original Hobbit that is waitlisted, we're going to go to the item, click place a hold, and it will tell you your position in line. So for example, I'm number 7 on 10 copies that are available of the book. That means that we've already put the hold in, and that's it. All you have to do is wait now. Now, say you decide that you don't want to wait for the item after you've already placed a hold on it. Not to worry, you can do that. What you're going to do is scroll back up to the very top and click the drop-down arrow for My Account. Now you're going to see these different options come up. What you're going to do is click on Holds, and it's going to take you to a page. See, I already have a couple of other things on hold, but we're still just concerned with The Hobbit. Now we're going to get rid of the item. All you have to do is simply click Remove. You'll get a drop-down asking if you're sure. Yes, we're sure. We want to remove the hold, and there you go. It's gone. You can do something similar with the items you have on loan, something that you've already taken out. For example, like what we did with the Hobbit in the Spanish version. So you can do that again by going to My Account, go to Loans, and you'll come up with your page that says everything that you have out on loan. See, we have The Hobbit. All you have to do to return it is click Return. You get a drop-down menu, click Return Title, and there you go, it's gone. Now you don't have to return it when you're done with it. It will automatically return for you, but if you would like to return it early, say you checked it out for 14 days and you finished it in 8, you can do the same process and return it early, and that just means someone else can get it earlier. But you don't have to do this. You can just wait for your loan to expire, and it will automatically be sent back for you. At any point, if you want to return to the very home page of CWMARS Overdrive, all you have to do is click here, the CWMARS icon, and just like that, you're back on the home page. So say you would like to do some browsing. You can browse by subject by clicking Subjects up here on the main page, and you get a list of all the various subjects that are available to you, and the little number next to each one is the number of titles in that subject. So just for example, let's click on classic literature, which has over 2,000 items in it. Now you can see all the different titles that are available for you to check out as we scroll down. And you can go through these pages if you would just want to do some browsing within this subject. So just for an example, if you'd like a closer look at a book, all you have to do is click the image of the title, and it will give you a description of the novel or whatever it is that you're looking at. Some of them will allow you to read a sample. All you have to do is click this button here. And it's as simple as that. From here, if it's available, which this one is, you can click Borrow, and it will go to your loan section that I showed you before under your account and loans. Now, if you're interested in something other than an ebook, you can scroll to the top and click on the drop-down arrow of collections, and it will show you a list that says audiobooks and a list that says videos. From here, you can click on ones that are available now. That means you can check them out right away, there's no waiting. Or you can search by age range, new kids editions, teens, most popular, and find something that you're interested from here. The home page is always a good place to go if you really aren't sure what you are looking to read, because they give you a lot of different categories to browse through. So if we scroll down on the home page, we have one that says Travel the World from the Comfort of Home. You can always click this little arrow and it will show you more books within that category. It shows you a list of books written by celebrities, audiobooks read by a celebrity, those are always popular, and series that are available for you to read. So as you can see, you have a lot of options. Overdrive is a great resource, and once you get the hang of it, it's really simple to navigate. I hope you guys found this helpful. We're always available for you. If you have questions, you can go to our website and email us, or you can call us on the phone. We're still here for you. Thanks for watching.